Hey folks, welcome to another video. This is getting exciting. I changed a design of this rotor a bit. Before we were having another rotor lying aside on my table. This one I feel is much preferable and much better as we can scale it up and much more easy to build. And that is our target. We need a device which is easy to build, easy to scale, and robust also. So currently in this state it is not as robust as I want it to be. What this can do so far, so just by the rotation of hand we can generate enough electricity, and we are not using rare earth magnets. These are just ordinary magnets. Let me show you what really happens when I roll it by my hand and bring these coils, which are connected with an LED, near to this flux wheel. See that? There is a little light of hope. Another key, the faster we rotate this, more electricity we get. Folks, do subscribe to the channel for the future update, and do give a thumbs up and also ring the notification icon so that you get the notification whenever I post a new video. Thank you for watching.